शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Very good afternoon, my dear children, dear parents, and my dear teachers. I'd like to take this opportunity to wish everyone a very happy Diwali. We are here in school today, praying and collecting the best wishes for everyone, for each of our students, staff, and everyone's families, bestowing those best wishes for the well-being and happiness of all of you. On behalf of the entire management and staff of GD Purnima, I extend very warm wishes for a great Diwali. I know this Diwali is a little different because of the way we are in the kind of situation today, where we've all been functioning from home, where things have been very different from what it used to be each year in terms of going out, celebrating, meeting people, doing shopping, buying new clothes, doing all those preparations, meeting your extended family and friends. It's not the same. But it doesn't matter. Everything teaches us something. This particular experience, my dear children, is teaching you a different way of life. How to have self-restraint. How to be more accommodating. How to think differently. And I'm happy, my dear children, that you people are behaving like good citizens. I hope so. Rather, I should say I'm sure you would be, because that's how you've been brought up. Your value system at home and in school has always ensured and believed that you will be exercising restraint when it is required. If you remember right from our first Diwali that we celebrated in school, I'm sure my senior students of 10th, 11th, 12th would recall, we've always celebrated Green Diwali. We've always been cautious about our environment. Remember those days when you all took pledge of not bursting any crackers, and then going on and meeting other people in the condominiums, making them also take a pledge, and all those social drives that we undertook? So as a school, we've always taken that lead of being responsible citizens. And in today's time, my dear children, you have to even be more responsible. Find out different ways of celebrating. Do cooking at home. Make all those special dishes. Help your parents. There is no need to, do what you've been doing each year. But you can still celebrate. you can still handle things with greater responsibility. And all the more children, why? Because this Diwali is on Children's Day. So, you have to take the lead. You have to be setting the trend and going all out to make it your day and the day of your family. And trust me, sooner than later, we are going to get back to the normal way of working. So my dear children, enjoy your day. ये जो आपका बचपन है ना, इसके अंदर बहुत बड़ा है. You really can do wonders because you know the whole life lies ahead of you. You are the one who are going to lead this world. So think, reflect. In fact, that's how we are celebrating our next week as well. Where we are going to take a little pause and reflect on what has been done, renew our energy and vigor, reboot ourselves and move ahead. So, and of course your teachers have done a lot of preparation and I'm sure you are all having a good time with your teachers, watching this special assembly and celebrating the Children's Day. तो वो जो बचपन है ना आपका, उसके साथ खूब मजे करो, खूब एंजॉय करो, अच्छी से खूब सेलिब्रेशंस करो, गाने गाओ, डांस करो, eat good food, सब कुछ करो. Most importantly, say happy my dear children. Keep your motivation high. Extend all the support to your family. Be with your friends. Be with everyone. You know, this is the time for all of us to be together, to be supporting each other, to be extending all the moral, emotional support that we require. Or, above all, be conscious about your work. Of course, take care of your enjoyment and your health. So, with this message, once again, I wish everyone a very happy Diwali. And to my dear children, right from nursery till grade 12, I wish you all a very, very happy Children's Day. Thank you. Love you all.
A lamp emits such light that makes the paths bright, dispelling the darkness around. Lamp illumines every side. Those who go off the path, the lamp shows the right path to fulfill its aim. The lamp serves the world with all its might. Namaste dear parents and friends. Yes, we have all come together for Diwali, the festival of lights. We may feel stagnant with the situation just not right. But keep the hopes alive as today we are here to present before you how we young Goenkins are celebrating Diwali with our friends and family. Happy Diwali!
14 नवंबर को दिवाली का त्योहार आता है. खूब खुशी मनाने का दिन है. आए दिवाली खुशियाँ मनाएंगे, मिलजुल कर त्योहार मनाएंगे. 14 साल का वनवास काटा वनवास, राम जी आए भुक्तिन के पास. आए दिवाली खुशियाँ मनाएंगे. अरे वाह, कितना मजा आएगा. इन दिनों बड़े कहते हैं जरूरी काम से ही जाना चाहिए.
decorated our plant for Diwali to spread the message on Green Diwali. Similarly, we can also put our plants at home and decorate them and present them as gifts to our dear ones. Thank you.
Wish you a happy Diwali. I have painted some diyas for Diwali. I will light these diyas on Diwali. I have colored this bottle and I will put some light in it and decorate my home. I have painted this pot and I will gift this pot to my friends. Make a safe Diwali. Thank you.
Hello my dear friends and teachers. Today I'm going to tell you how did I pot a plant. So for that I used some mud, some water, a plumber to measure the water and a stick. So I added the mud first, then I added some water, then I mixed, then I added some more mud and water, so the seeds were able to go in. I used the green gram moonbeam seeds. So then after adding the seeds, I again added mud and then I added water so it gets smooth from the base. Now after that I again keep on adding mud so the plant grows and grows. So here is my mud. I used a little bit of more soil, so this would be good for our plant. And make sure to water the plant every day. Goodbye.
Dear teachers and my friends, here comes wishes from my end. Let the fire burn all your sorrows. Candles light up your life. Colors make your life bright. With flowers filling in the fragrance all day and night. Wish you all a very happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali. I hate Diwali. I hate Diwali. I hate Diwali. रंगीली रंगोली है ज़मीन पर, बताओ दोस्तों मैं क्यों खुश हूँ? सही कहा, आज दिवाली का त्योहार है। आओ हम सब मिलके खुशियाँ बांटें। हैप्पी दिवाली।
This is my rangoli which I made by myself. And this is my poster which I also made by myself. We should save our environment and say not to crackers. And happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali all of you. In this Diwali, say no to crackers and use eco-friendly crackers. Happy Diwali!
Joy, 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 we can play with our cousins. We can decorate our houses. We will eat so many sweets, but we will go out to buy no, dear friends. We will show how to make sweets even at home.
Good evening everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how to make chocolate laddus. For that we need some biscuits and some cocoa powder and some condensed milk and some sprinkles. You don't have sprinkles, then also you're going to use some jams. And we have to put some dry fruits in
Diwali and see how many laddu I have made and we are going to eat them in Diwali. Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali, everyone! Diwali is not complete without any sweet dish. So today I will tell you a sweet dish which is fruit cream. First of all, we need some cream, sugar, dry fruit powder and some fruits. Now I will add some sugar. Now I will add the fruit which I have. Now we have to add dry fruit powder in it. Now our fruit cream is ready. You can also try making this at your home.
Happy Diwali! No Diwali is complete without sweets. Today we are going to make coconut laddu. I have some coconut powder, some condensed milk and some rose essence. Now we are going to mix these in a bowl. Now I am going to put some condensed milk and rose essence. Now I am going to pick them and make laddus of. Look how pretty the laddus are. Now we are going to put some almonds. Now our coconut laddus are ready. Happy Diwali! One for you.
दीपों का त्योहार दिवाली, खुशियों का संसार दिवाली, घर आंगन सब नया सा दिखता है, नया नया परिधान सबको फपता है, नए नए उपहार दिवाली लाई है, खुशियों का संसार दिवाली लाई है, चलो सब मिलकर जश्न बनाए, नाचे कूदे गाने गाए. स्टे हैप्पी, स्टे सेफ, हैप्पी दिवाली. थैंक यू.
आज की ये रात करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा.
प्यार की सौगातें हूँ, तारों की बारातें हूँ,
दूरी की न बातें हो, बस मुलाकातें हो.
सबको यही देती संदेशा. दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे. दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे.
हाथों में लेकर पूजा की थाली, लक्ष्मी जी की आरती उतारे.
माथे पे अपने तिलक लगाए, आज अपने भाग हम सवारे.
हमसे धन की देवी रूठे ना कभी,
डोर सुख चैन की टूटे ना कभी.
सबको यही देती संदेशा. ईदे अली घरे घरे मन खुशी से माते जे, चतुर्दिके आलो घरे ईदे अली आशे. आई रे आई दिवाली आई, खुशियों की सौगात लाई. आई रे आई दिवाली आई, खुशियों की सौगात लाई. रोशनी और रंगोली से सजेगा हर घर, निकलेंगे सब नए कपड़े पहनकर. आई रे आई दिवाली आई, खुशियों की सौगात लाई. आई रे की सौगात लाई।
दुनिया मेरी कैसे चमके, जैसे रोशनी ने रोशनी वो भर दी हर कहीं। दुनिया सारी उसी के प्यार की दिल से वो मिला दे हर चेहरा, वो मिला दे रुत लाए आज खुशियों की। मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली, मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली।
मेरी ओर से आप सबको दिवाली की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। May this auspicious day of Diwali bring all the goodness in the world to you. May this Diwali bring a lot of good health, happiness and prosperity into your lives. Happy Diwali! Have a great Diwali, and remember, it has to be without any crackers.
Namaste.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Diwali. Happy Diwali. Hello everyone. Have a happy, safe and green Diwali.
Wish you a very very happy Diwali to everyone.
Happy Diwali, everyone. Wish you all a very happy Diwali from all of us. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Yay! Happy Diwali to all of you.
Happy Diwali everyone.
Happy Diwali to everyone. Have a safe Diwali.
Happy
Diwali, guys.
everyone. Stay indoors, stay safe. Have
Stay
lots of sweets
indoors.
and lots of fun.
Stay safe
And
and eat lots of sweets.
excellent. And which sweets?
Kaju cutlery,
Ah,
chocolate cookies,
And
laddu,
okay,
awesome.
chocolate laddu.
okay.
Awesome, even better. A very happy Diwali everyone.
A
Bye
very
bye.
a very happy Diwali, everyone. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Hello, all of you. Wish you a very happy Diwali. Hello, everyone. Happy Diwali.
And green Diwali.
Stay safe.
Stay healthy.
Happy Diwali to all of you.
Happy Diwali from our family to yours. Be safe and don't burn crackers. Enjoy.
Wish you all a happy Diwali.
Hello everyone. Wish you a very happy Diwali. Stay safe and burn no crackers.
Happy Diwali.